Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of all. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 4, and we are learning unit number 16, and its title is Self-Discipline. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 1, we will learn about how to use question words. Okay, so we will cover a page 127 and page 128. So my dear students, before in English for grade 3, we have already learned about question words in details. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's student learning outcome is illustrate the use of question words learned earlier. Identify and use question words when, how many, and how much, etc. So today we are going to learn about different types of question words and how we can use them in our daily sentences. Okay, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Hajj, verse number 23, indeed Allah will admit those who believe and do righteous deeds to gardens beneath which rivers flow. So yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the blessings of Almighty Allah for those people who are doing righteous deeds, means who are obeying Almighty Allah. So these all things, all blessings are for them. So let's pray that we should also be able to obey the instructions and the orders of Almighty Allah, inshallah and amin. Okay, so are you ready for your pre-reading questions? What is a question? Yes, what is a question? Good job. Next, see there. What do you know about question words? Okay, what is a question and what do you know about question words? Good, excellent job. I hope now you have recalled. So let's see, what is a question? Question refers to a statement, sentence which asks about something. So yes, my dear students, when we ask about something, definitely every time we are not telling anything that we have knowledge of everything and we are informing or telling, no. So sometimes we have to ask question, even from teacher, even from our parents, so we can ask question. So in which way that statement that we are asking something, so that statement is called a question. Okay, so see there, we are going to now learn about question words. The question words are what, who, where, when, why, which, how many, how much. Okay, today we are going to learn about these question words and how we can utilize them in different situations into the shape of a sentence to ask questions. So see there, use of word. We are going to get use of word. How we can use? Yes, we use word what to inquire about something. Okay, we can inquire about something or an idea or an action. Okay, when we want to inquire about something or an idea or an action, so then what we use? We use what. So see there, what are you doing? There was there. What are you doing? What is this? Okay, this is the use of what and where we have to use. So be careful and listen carefully, my dear students. Next is use of who. Where we use it? We use who to inquire about someone. Okay, someone means about persons. When we want to inquire about persons, so we use who. Like, who is your brother? Okay, so who is means brother is a person and we have used there who. See there, who is in the room? So that who we have also used for a person and we are inquiring that who is in the room. Use of where. Where we have to use that where. Yes, when we want to inquire about place, okay, then we use which question word? Where. See there, where is your school? So definitely we are asking about place. Where is school? Next is where is the shopping mall? So see there, Okay, shopping mall is also a place, and we have used there where. So this is the way that how we can use when we are inquiring about a place. So how we can use question words and which type of question words we have to use. Okay, so have you got, my dear students? Good. So let's see next. Use of when. We use when we want to inquire about time. Okay, when we want to inquire about time, so then we have to use when. See an example. When is your birthday? So we are inquiring about time, and time can be in the shape of days, in the shape of weeks, months. Okay, you can also tell that month, we can get it into time, that if on which month, on which day, that when is your birthday, and time also you can mention. So next example, when do you go to school? Now here we are asking about time, exact time. So tell the time, when do you go to school? When are you getting school? So when do you get your school? Oh, because I think you get your school on time, because you are good students. See their use of which. Okay, so we use which to inquire about choices and also for things. Keep remember that we use which for things also and also for choices. That there is a choice. So which type of choice? You have likes, we can say in choices, we can say also likes. So we can use which. See there, my dear students, where is your school and where is the shopping mall? See there, use of why. Use of why. See there, where we have to use of why, inquire about reason. Yes, when we are inquiring about reason, when we want to inquire about something and what is the reason behind, so then we use why. See there, why are you so sad? We are inquiring reason, that why are you so sad? Next, why were knocking at the door? Okay, why were you knocking at the door? Okay, in this way, when we want to ask and when we want to know the reason, then we use why. Use of how. Yes, when we want to inquire about manner or quantity, then we use how. So see there, in manner we can see, how do you go to school? So this is the manner. How do you go to school? By foot, by any ride. So how do you go to school? Next, how many students are present today? So this is the quantity. Now we are asking about quantity, that how many students are present today. Like how many students are present today in your class? Okay, all students are present. Oh, good. Punctual student. See there, how much milk is in the jug? So now also quantity, inquiring about quantity of milk. But there is a little bit difference about the use of how much and how many. Okay, how many. So let's see that what is the use. Use of how many. When we use how many with countable nouns. So my dear students, do you know countable nouns? Yes, the nouns that can be counted easily, that we can count. Okay, these are called, such type of nouns are called countable noun. So we use how many with countable nouns. Examples are there. How many children are playing in the park? So see there, children can be counted, and these children are playing in the car. Definitely we can count easily. So in your class also you can count. Even in your whole school you can count students easily, that we can get that how many students, total students are in your school. So that's why with countable nouns always we use how many. So keep remember always, my dear students. Next, how many books do you have? So how many books do you have in your bag? Definitely these books are countable and we can count easily. So that's why I have used there how many. Okay, my dear students, so have you got? Good job. See this, how much, where we have to use how much. Yes, when we want to inquire about uncountable nouns. See there, my dear students, uncountable nouns. So what are uncountable nouns? They're anti of countable nouns, means we cannot count them. Like stars, your hair, we cannot count. milk, water, we cannot count. Sugar, can you count sugar? Definitely no, we cannot count sugar. So that's where such type of nouns are called uncountable nouns. And we have to use, when we want to inquire about an uncountable noun, so we have to use how much. See there? How much do you drink? Okay, so drinks are also uncountable. See there, next question. How much sugar do you need? Have you got it? So always with sugar is uncountable noun, and we never count that, we cannot count sugar. So we have used there much. Have you got that now? Where we have to use all question words that we are using every day in our life, and we are doing that. Okay, my dear students, now be ready to do an interesting activity for you, because I think it's so long, little bit long. Okay, so now let's perform an activity and let's enjoy. So yes, my dear teachers, first step for you, you will pair the class, write question words on the board. Okay, first of all, my dear teacher, what you will do, you will pair the class, get two students together, and then you will write question words on the board. And the next, what you will do, students will interview each other. So yes, so what students will do, my dear teachers? Students will interview each other. How they will interview? They will interview using these question words that you have written on the board. Okay, have you got? So next is, each student will ask at least 5 questions from the student in pair. Okay, so at least 5 questions they will ask. Engage whole class in this activity. Yes, so you should interview to each other, to your friends, to your partner, and enjoy this activity in your class. Yes, my dear teacher, pause the video and enjoy this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back, and I hope now you are fresh again. Okay, because now you have spent a nice time in during this activity. Good. So let's perform an individual activity in your class. There is a page, English book, page 128. Question number 4 is there. Answer the following WH questions. So these are questions for you, my dear teachers. You will ask, and your students will respond about these questions. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Good job. I hope now you have got that, how we can use question words to ask questions. What's our homework for today? Write 10 sentences using question words in your notebook. Okay, you will write 10 sentences using question words in your notebook, and tomorrow you will have to write answers of these questions. So be careful while writing questions. Yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should click it and download it and provide it to your students in printed form, and try to get that how much knowledge they have got about the use of question words. So what we have covered today? Today we learned about question words. We learned to use these words according to the questions we are going to ask. Okay, and in this way we have covered up our essay law, illustrate the use of question words learned earlier, identify and use question words when, how many, and how much, etc. Yes, wow, good job, and we have done it. So now we have got that, how we can use question words in different situations and with different nouns. How we have, when we want to ask something, so which question word we have to use to. So today we have got that. Okay, so tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.